After the successful soft touchdown of ISRO's Chandrayaan-3 lander on the Moon's surface, ISRO had now become the first country to land on the Moon's south pole, and the fourth country to land on Moon. After making all these records of Moon mission, Indian Space Research Organization was then up to a new mission, to our red star Sun. It was the first space-based Indian mission to study the Sun. The mission name is Aditya L1. Hello everyone, you're now watching all the updates of ISRO's Aditya L1 solar mission to the Sun, with Universe Explorer by GSC. On September 2, 2023, was the launch date of spectacular Aditya solar mission of India, from the second launch pad of the Satish Dhawan Space Center at Sriharikota. The solar probe had launched on 11:50 a.m. in one of India's most powerful rocket, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, carrying the solar probe on board. Following the launch, Aditya L1 solar probe will stay in orbit around the Earth for 16 days. During this, it will do 5 space operation, the Indian Space Research Organization said. This crucial operation helps Aditya L1 gain velocity for its 4-month-long journey for Lagrange point 1. When we hear Lagrange point, the first object comes to our mind will be NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, that had been orbiting Lagrange point 2 for a long time, but not in case of this Aditya probe. It will be orbiting on L1, obviously, because it's closer to our Sun. Aditya L1 will undergo a trans-Lagrangian 1 insertion operation, marking the beginning of its 110-day trajectory to the destination around the L1 Lagrange point. Upon arrival at the L1 point, another operation binds Aditya L1 to an orbit around L1, a balanced gravitational location between the Earth and the Sun. The spacecraft will perform orbital space operation by using its liquid apogee motor engine to reach the L1 point. Aditya L1 will stay approximately 1.5 million kilometers away from Earth, directed towards the Sun, which is about 1% of the Earth-Sun distance. The Aditya L1 mission will carry 7 scientific payloads, instruments, to conduct a study of the Sun. 4 of the spacecraft's payloads will directly view the Sun, while 3 payloads like chronograph, spectropolarimeter, UV imager, will carry out science studies of particles and fields at the Lagrange point, L1. ISRO has achieved a new milestone, graduating from the S-band communicator, used for communication with its previous space modules, now improved, to a high-throughput, X-band frequency, for Aditya L1, India's first solar space observatory, that completed the first of 5 Earthbound operations. The Indian Space Research Organization expects its Aditya L1 solar probe to enter into orbit around Lagrangian point, L1, on January 7, 2024. ISRO noted that the Aditya L1 will neither land on the Sun nor approach the Sun, like NASA's Parker solar probe did, which was the first probe to touch the Sun. The Aditya spacecraft will be studying the outer atmosphere of the star. The distance between Aditya L1 and the Sun will be about 148.5 million kilometers. With new missions of Indian Space Research Organization's upcoming mission, Gangayaan Mission 2024, they will be reaching the star of universe, and more impressive mission like this, they will reach the cosmos of universe, from our home Earth to the Moon, then to Sun, then to the exoplanets, and then beyond the universe.